I still believe. That's why I can see it. I still believe. That's why I can see it. I still believe it. That's why I can see it. I still believe. Realize, yeah, realize.
Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Realize,
Realize.
once you see it, you can't unsee it.
Realize.
Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Realize,
yeah,
once you see it, you can't unsee it.
Look around the world and you see deception. I don't wanna give it. What is make America great again? Rebranded transhumanism. Cause I'm focused on my mission. God called me, so I can't give in and walk like a zombie. No mRNA, no vaccine for me, no chip in my brain. God gave me my mind, sound mind today. God opened my eyes, I can finally say I can see clearly now. The last days are coming.
Again, dialectic, no one expects it. Most can't see it, but I expect it. Like the lyrics to our favorite record. Most don't know the words, but I inspect them. Realize what? mRNA is dangerous. That's the cure back in a man named Musk. Transhumanism is sold to us. Vaccines, chips, digital money for us. But it's okay now, cause Republicans trust. Blindly leading, so we will not bust. As we hop on the great reset bus.
2030, yeah, I know they got a plan. Guys got a plan too.
We win in the end.
Time to wake up, decide which side you wanna stand, the lie or the truth. Jesus, realize.
Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Realize,
Once you see it, you can't unsee it.
realize.
Once you see it, you can't unsee it.
Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. Realize, once you see it, you can't unsee it.
You got a choice to make, so decide it. Ain't no in between, there's no hiding. Yeah, I know the end, I prophesied. Don't be surprised when the kingdom suffers violence. In between, you either win or lose, okay? Holy Spirit, help us discern what's really going on. Realize.